guys. Hey, taking off Nissan 350Z stock muffler. Struggle for a minute, but I think we're getting her done pretty well. So pretty much, this is what it looks like underneath the 350Z. So let's see here. Okay, it goes all the way to here, and then from here it goes into the muffler, which is what I'm under right now. You just take off. There's 2 bolts on this side and 1 on this side. The reason why is because of this. It'll catch your pipe if the bolts break and it drops. So there's that one. And mind you, we may put these back on later, depending, because my neighbors may hate me. But we'll see how it goes. Might do a resonator delete and just straight pipe it by the end of the day, who knows. But your audience. That's off. Alrighty. That's great. Alright, so update. Turned out there was 2, 3, God, where's my hammer? Ah! I'm cutting that.
You cutting that?
Anyways, update. There's 3 hangers that we found. That bolt onto the exhaust. So what we're doing, instead of taking off the bumper or doing all that, because we don't really know what the hell we're doing, I think I'm tiny. We are taking off the hanging mounts. That way we could just drop the muffler and everything itself, and then we'll pull everything off the muffler and reattach it once the muffler is off. But for the time being, we're just taking everything off. Right now we had to take this panel off, which sat in there like that. That seems wrong. Wait. Sat in here like this, like that. So we just took this off. We had to take these off to even get to that first. So we took that off, then this, which are 2 screws here and back here, and then that'll get you access to this hanging mount, which we're thinking if we take this hanging mount off, we could get this side done, drop it, pull it, and then get to that side of the hanging mount. So that's what we're doing. Uh-oh. It's stuck in the socket.
It's not broken, it's just fucking like sideways.
Yeah, well, this is the only socket that fits it. God damn it. There we go. Look at that. Alright, but stripping. God damn it, is it recording?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so what we're doing is, so right there is what you see. That that little bolt, let's see, this right here is the mounting clip. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh, right there, right here is the hang clip, and this is where it connects to the body or the frame, whatever you'd like to say. So we had to take all that stuff off to get to here, which I have these 2 off, which this one's wanting to strip, which is no bueno. But so I think I'm gonna be able to, I don't even know what I'm gonna have to do with this one. If it's stripping, that's not good, but if I pull this off, then this will disconnect. This is only connected to the muffler, so you just pull that off, pull this off, and then get it from the screws down here. I hope you're focusing on what I want you to. On here, and then that just slides out, and yeah. So as you can see, We got it. It literally fell on me as we disconnected it. We disconnected and it fell. So that's great. I'll take this over for a second here. So it did exactly as we expected it to. We disconnected it from the bolts that were right here originally, and that inevitably took off the muffler. So we have the other side to get, which we're figuring that out now. But here's what you guys seen just a second ago. It was like that to the car, and we just unscrewed them and then pulled it off, and it's still connected to the muffler itself, through the clip, the rubber piece. But this is the hardest part, is getting this off. So we just decided to take that off. A little more work, but easier in the long run, because then you don't got to struggle fighting this and all this in the way. So now we just have to get that done, and we're good. I smell rubber. I smell rubber from tires. Alrighty, guys. After all the hard work of 3.5 hours worth of shit, 3.5 hours worth of work just to remove a muffler with 2 people that don't know what they're doing, or on a Z at least. This is what a Z sounds like.
No, fuck.
No fucking.
Oh shit.
Nah. Nah. Nah, bro.
No. Oh fuck. I told you that shit was gonna blow up. I fucking told you. That shit's loud, dude. I think you should stop. I fucking told you that was gonna fly off. That shit's probably hot. No, it's not.